Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. Today I will show you how to change match time in eFootball. Now this is one of the most popular games right now for football, so let's get started. So obviously if you want to play a friend match in football, in eFootball, you can actually go and change the match time as well. So first, go to the create match room, and then as you can see, you'll set the password to your match room, obviously. So just set a password, click create, and then here you'll be presented with different types of things that you can do. So you have game plan, you can change the game plan. You have match room settings, and then you have match settings. So basically self-explanatory really. You go to match room settings. You can enter the match room number, all of that, and then you can choose the best match settings. Match room settings, right here you can have the match time, and you can change the match time and customize it. You can also change the match type as well. Injuries, do you have extra time, number of substitutions, stuff like that. You can change it right here throughout this match room settings. So this is basically how you can go and change match time in eFootball. Now, if you have any other questions or maybe comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.